Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to cancel your Canva Pro subscription plan. We will also put useful links in the description below. To start, open the website. Then click on Login. To log in, you could select from the login methods. But in this case, we will continue with email. Once you're logged in, you'll see a profile icon at the upper right side of the page. Click on the profile icon. A drop-down list will then appear. There you will see an option for account settings. Click on Account Settings. On the left side menu, you will see an option for Billing and Plans. Click on Billing and Plans. Beside Update Payment Method, you will see 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots. Then an option for Cancel Plan will appear. Click on Cancel Plan. On the pop-up window, you will see the features you'll miss out if you cancel the plan. To proceed, click on Cancel Subscription. That's how you cancel your Canva Pro subscription plan. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles. And our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.